Quinn and Cantera.
1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com.
Paul Harding from Martin Harding and Mazzotti on the line. Before we get into today's topic, thanks for taking people home on Super Bowl Sunday,
Yes.
Paul. We appreciate you guys doing that.
Yeah, no, it was quite a success. I'm told lots of folks took advantage of the ride, and they called much later than normal. People were staying for post game, post interviews. You know, they're just so excited. That game had it all.
It was a great game.
Yesterday, I sent this to Cantera, knowing he's got a bit of a crush on the girl, on the woman from the Dannemora prison.
No, not true.
And it fits. It also fit into our time with Paul.
Joyce Mitchell, who was a big topic of this show 2 summers ago, part of the Dannemora prison break, she helped the guys escape, is sitting in jail for 7 years.
Woo!
But she's going for what, a parole hearing?
Yeah, she is, and I can see why you have a crush on her. I took a look this morning, kind of have a recollection of who she is.
She's a prison 7 and a real world 1, but that's not the point. The point is that she could get out.
Prison 7.
She could get out early.
Yeah. Well, you have these things called indeterminate sentences, which is sort of a minimum and a maximum. In this case, it was 2 1/3 to 7. And you see 7 printed all the time, but there was a minimum maximum. Once you have that, once you serve your minimum, you are eligible for parole. Doesn't mean you get parole, but it does mean that you go in front of the parole board, get your case, kind of say, hey, look, I've been good, I've done this, and they will consider letting her out from this point forward, and then every year she'd have a parole hearing.
What do you think? I mean,
will she be free? Is she gonna get out?
Well,
early,
I was surprised that she got what she got, right? So she got 2 1/3 to 7. That was the maximum, meaning like that we thought the judge might do something a little bit less. So, yeah, he kind of came down hard, but for all the right reasons. You know, without her, they probably don't escape and don't have $40 million in overtime fees and result in the death of one of the prisoners, etc. But, I don't think this is going to be the time when she walks. I think this will be the time when they look at her and see what she's done, see if she's earned any what they call merit time in prison.
Yeah.
And then, but I don't think she'll serve 7 either. So I think there's going to be somewhere in the middle. We will see her back on the streets, and I guess her husband is sticking around, and so I don't think that
guy, even though she cheated on him.
He's a saint.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, God.
It's probably for the kids.
She's in Dannemora, right? Is she in?
No. She's not in the prison. She couldn't be.
Is she not in Dannemora? Okay, I thought maybe she was.
No.
Okay.
No,
right.
she's at a women's facility.
Right, yeah.
All right. Okay.
So two questions here. I assume that if she gets out, she could never go work. She could never work for a prison again, right? That's part of the
Mexico,
right?
maybe in Mexico.
I can't imagine getting past the screening process.
Yeah.
Right.
right. Yeah. And the other thing is if she gets out and they make a movie or a book, can she make money even? I know you can't make money when you're in prison. Can you make money from a crime you participated in once you're out of prison?
Yeah. So, the rules came down. People were doing that, and they were making money. Now they said that you can't do it. But once you're out of prison,
served your time.
In theory, but she would be such not the focus of the movie, so they would just not really need her story.
Speak for yourself, director.
I would read her book. I mean, I would definitely read her book.
I want to know all about the inner workings at home, her travels, her nervousness going to the
Joyce
prison.
Mitchell.
Joyce Mitchell.
Yeah,
Joyce
and
Mitchell.
it goes to the, when the statute came out, it dealt with the serious sort of felonies here, and because hers was serious, but she doesn't rise to the level where they would limit her being able to go out and speak on this and write a book. She would be able to recover.
Paul,
it didn't fall within that statute.
What if I wanted to go and do a meeting with her at the prison that she's at right now?
As a member of the media?
Well, either as a member of the media or do I have to be a member of the media? Can I just say, hey, I'd like to meet with her and put in a request?
She would have to approve. But if she approved it for you to come down and see her, and maybe people have tried, but not maybe people, that she's accepted. I don't know, but it'd be worth a try. And if you got her in there, then you could record it.
Yeah, I was going to say, can I Facebook Live inside the prison?
I'd rather go explore the new casino opening tomorrow.
Well, you do that. BJ's going to lose his mind with all these Facebook Lives.
I'll go to the casino. You can go visit Joyce if you want.
Oh, yeah. I'll ask her all kinds of dirty questions.
Paul Harding from Martin Harding, 1-800-LAW-1010 and 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Thanks again for getting people home with the free cab rides on Super Bowl Sunday. We appreciate that, Paul.
Our pleasure. Thank you, guys.